Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Diksha from Coding Power. Today we'll be making a new game called Rocket Space Game using Scratch. I would like to begin with showing how the game will look in the end. So in order to start the game, we need to click on the green flag. So this is how the game will be. So without further delay, let's start making the game.
Subscribe to my channel and keep the bell icon to all.
So the first thing we need to do is open Scratch Desktop. I've already opened the app. Now we need characters or the sprites for the project. We'll be needing three main sprites. One is the rocket ship, second is the rocks, and third is a bullet, otherwise button 2. Now we don't need a cat, so I'll delete it by clicking on the delete option. Now let us bring the sprite 1 rocket ship. Click on choose a sprite and type rocket. Here you can see there is only one rocket ship, so I'm going to select that. Now we have the rocket. Second sprite is a rocks. So again click on choose a sprite and in the search option type rocks. Here select this by clicking on it. Now we also have rocks. The third sprite we need is a button 2. So click on choose a sprite again. In the search option type button. So there are different types of button. We are going to select button 2. Click on it to select. Now you can see these all the sprites are big in size. In order to make them small, click on the rocket ship. Instead of size 100 we can make it 40. And in the rocks we can make the size as 50. And the button 2 size will be 10. Here for the bullets which will be fired by the rocket ship, we'll be using buttons instead of the bullet. Now every game needs a backdrop. So in order to make a background, here click on choose a backdrop. As we are making a rocket space game, we need a background of space. So click on space button here and select stars. So now we have added the three main characters, that is the sprites and a backdrop. So now let us start by writing the code. First we'll be writing the code for the rocket. So click on the rocket ship and first we need to go to event section. In this we need to select whenever flag is clicked. So drag and drop it here. So when flag is clicked, the sprite has to show itself. So go to looks, scroll below and drag and drop show block. Now we need a score or a point. So in every game there is a score or a point. So go to variables, click on make a variable and give a name for the variable. I am giving score. Now click OK. Here drag and drop set my variable to 0. Instead of my variable, select score. So when flag is clicked, the sprite has to show itself and set the score to 0 in the beginning of the game. Now we need a position where the rocket ship can go. So select the motion and drag and drop go to X and Y. The X position of the rocket will be minus 200. That will be to the left of the screen. And Y position will be positive 10, which will be in the middle of the screen. Now by clicking on it, you can see the rocket has gone to the left of the screen. Now you can see the rocket is facing towards the up. But in the game, we need the rocket to face towards the right side. So in order to do that, click on the rocket and click on the direction. Instead of 90 degree, type 180 degree. So you can see that rocket ship is facing towards the right side. Now let's go back to the code. Now we need to make a code in which whenever we click the up and down arrow, the rocket should move up and down. So first we'll go to the control section, scroll below and select repeat until block. The reason for why we are selecting repeat until is because in the game, until the rocket ship is touching the rocks, the game has to, whenever we click up arrow, the rocket should move up, and whenever we click down, the rocket should move down. That will only happen until and unless the rocket ship touches the rocks. When the rocket touches the rock, the game will be stopped. So repeat until, go to sensing option, select the first block touching mouse pointer. Instead of mouse pointer, select rocks. Repeat until touching rocks. What should happen while touching until touching rocks? Go to controls again, select the if block and again go to sensing and select this key space pressed. If instead of space, select up arrow. If up arrow is pressed, then change the Y position of the rocket to 10. That block will be in the motion. Go to motion, scroll below, select this change Y by 10. So if the up arrow is pressed, change Y by 10. Now we need the same thing for down arrow. So go to if, right click and click on duplicate. I'll stop this. Now if instead of up arrow, if down arrow is pressed, change Y by -10. For positive it is for positive 10 it is going upside, for negative 10 it is going downside. So this is the code for rocket ship. Okay, now let's test the block we have done. So I'll click on the flag. You can see the block has been activated. Now let me click on the up arrow. You can see the rocket is moving as I click up and down arrow. So this proves that our block or the code is correct. Now I'll stop this. Let's add one more thing for this rocket ship. That is, we can add a sound until the game is over. So in order to do that, go to sounds. Here there are already 3 sounds added in this sprite, so we won't be needing them, but we'll be needing another sound. Click on choose a sound. Here type dance sound or dance space. So there is only one dance space sound. Click this to select. So we have the dance space sound in our sound block here. Go to code. Again go to events. Again select this when flag is clicked. So when flag is clicked, play sound dance space until done. This should go on forever. So in order to do that, go to control. You can see there is the third block called forever. Drag and drop it in between. So when flag is clicked, play sound dance space until done forever. So now let us try it again. Click on the flag. You can see that the sound is being played, as well as I can move the rocket up and down. So I'll click on stop. Now we have completed the writing the code for the rocket ship. We have to do the button 2 code and the rocks, which we'll be doing in the later on parts of the video. First, let us save the project. So we'll give the title for the project by clicking here. Instead of Scratch project, we can give Rocket Space Game. Rocket Space Game. Now let us save it. Here click on File, Save to your computer. Go to the folder you want to save your game in. I'm saving it in desktop. Type the name of the game you want to save and click on save. So our game or our project has been saved. So until the next video, stay safe and take care. Bye.